I'm gonna show you how you can fix lobby invite on EA FC 24. So what you want to do is go to FIFA or any EA game you have, then press R2 on your PS5 controller or RT on your Xbox controller. So press it, then on the bottom you see social settings, press it. Then you see all these options, but the one you need is notifications, so press it. Then go to party or lobby invite received, press it. And here you can press always, not during gameplay, or never. If you wish to never receive it, then press on never. During gameplay speaks for itself, then press that option. I will put it on never.